So guys, welcome to module 1. And in this module 1 we'll be discussing about conversion from base 10 to other base. Okay, you're going to be learning how to convert number from base 10 to other bases, and also how to convert number in decimal, number in base 10 to other bases also. And also you're going to learn how to convert fraction, okay, in number base 10 to other bases. So this question, you cannot go, there's no question that I want to give you that is behind this question under this topic for conversion from other base to base 10. This class is very, very important, and this question I'm about to share you is also very, very important. So do not check with it. So I'll solve this first question for the both free IP and the free member, and the remaining two question is for a VIP member. So if you are not yet joined our platform, you are not yet joined our learning community, you can contact me on the number on WhatsApp, the number displaying right now. You can contact me or visit our website www.matco.com.ng to get registered. So if you'd like to join us, you can check, you can go to comment section and say you want to join my online class, or go to comment section and see the link that directs you to our Telegram channel. You can join us there. I will direct you to step by step on how to participate in this full class of this lesson. So let's see how we solve this question. So what if we are given a question to convert it from another base to base to from base 10 to other bases? This one very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple. So let's solve the first question, which is for both VIP member and for free member. We get access to this. So how to solve this first question, and why the many other question is for a VIP member. So are you guys there? Now, let's look at this question here. Let's see how you can convert in. So the question said that convert 29 base 10 to a number in base 2. Okay, to a number in base 2. So we ask a second question, what are the number in base 2? What does it mean by base 2? Sometimes this question may be given as a binary. Okay, it may give as a binary. It will be that it may give base 2 is also called a binary. If you add base 2, if you add a binary, it's not the same thing. Binary number is also called base 2. And sometimes the number here, the base 10 is also called a denary or decimal. Okay, if you see the decimal number, it's also called a base 10. I also call it a denary. Do you understand? Now, the denary number are the constant number we are using in our daily life. Or what are the last number? The highest number you can find in the base 10 is 9. And there's no number you can find that is more than 9. You can't find a number that is more than 9. The combination of the number you can find under the base 10 are the number we have used for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the highest number you can find in our daily life. So forget about if you want to write 10, because 10 is a combination of 1 and 0 that make it 10. If you want to write 1 million, the combination of 1 0 0 0 that making what that making that million. So all the number we are writing is still for under this word base 10. So that is why base 10 is a constant basis and the number we are using in our daily lives. So it means that if you're given a number that's equal to base 10, you subtract 1 for this. That is why when you subtract 1 for this, then you have 9. So the highest number you can see in base 10, it is 9. So we're talking about base 2. The highest number you can see in base 2 is 1. Because the number they're talking about base 2, that is 2. When you subtract 1 for it, that make it what? That is 1. So highest number you can see in base 2 is 1. What are the higher number you can see in base 2? That is 1, 0, and 1. We have start from 0, we have 1. So the highest number you can find in base 2 is 0 and 1. Look at the option here. There's no option that is more than 0 and 1 here. So the highest number you can find in base 2 is 0 and 1. So if it is base 3, the highest number you can find in base 3 is 2. That is 0, 1, and 2. That's the highest number you can find in base 3. I get them. So if you're looking at maybe a question see that you find in base 8. Base 8, the highest number you can find in base 8 is 7. I get on it is 7. If what after solving it, the number you get it is more than is equal to 8, you have to convert it to it. I get on make sure it be less than that base 8. But this question here is discussing about the base 2. Now let's quickly dive into it. Now how do we convert number from other base to base 10? The first step is to use division method. That is the easiest way. You use what division method. Again, we use division method. Now, how do you use division method? To use division method, we are going to divide that as 29. Okay, in base 10, divided by the given base. We are convert this base 10, this is in base 10, want to convert this to base 2. So it means that the number you are given there, if you convert it, divided by the base we are working toward, that is 2. So you divided by what? By 2. I get on, right, divided by 2. So if it's 2 divided by 29, that goes for 14 times. Okay, what will be your remainder? So what if in case you use calculator to solve this problem? Okay, if you use calculator, let me try to use calculator here. It will give you that 29 divided by 2, that gives us 40.5. Okay, I want to explain something here because my student have made a mistake in this part when they use calculator. So when you say 2 divided by 29, it gets 40.5. Okay, they will just write it goes in 40 times. Okay, and remainder of 5. This point does not mean, after this point, this part does not mean the remainder is 5. Do not cause me wrong. The remainder here is not 5. Don't get confused. Okay, now to get your remainder, you multiply the whole number part here. That is 14. The 14 right here, the 14 multiplied by the number 40 times 2, that's equal to 28. That is 28. Okay, now you subtract the 28 from 29. So that remainder is equal to 1. Hope you get this. Okay, let's go again. How many 2 can you go again? 2 divided by 14, that is equal to what? 2, how many 2 can you say in 14? That is equal to what? 7. I get that. So this is, it goes in 7 times. Do you have any remainder? If you use calculator, it gives us 7. Do you have any remainder? There's no remainder. So since there's no remainder, it means that the remainder of 0, that is nothing. Now we go again until get to 0 here. 2 divided by 7. How many 2 can you say in 7? It goes what? In 3 times. I get down. 2 divided by 7 goes in 3 times. So what will be the remainder? I mean the number. Let me use calculator to make it better understanding. So when it says 7 divided by 2, it's given as 3.5. 3.5. So this 5 is not your remainder. It's not a remainder. To get your remainder, you multiply the 3 times 2. That is 6 minus 7. That is 1. So the remainder is 1. Hope you are getting this. Now we go again. We have 2 divided by 3. That is it goes in 1 times. So what will be the remainder? That's the remainder of 1, right? Now we go again until guess what? To 0 at this part. So 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 1 is not possible because 2 is bigger than this 1. So it's not possible. Since it's not possible, you write 0 there. And write this 1 here. What we have here as a remainder. So it will be what? Remainder of 1. I get done. It will be remainder of 1. So let me try the question space. It will be remainder of 1. Again, now to get your answer now, since you're converting this divided by 2, this is our remainder. Our remainder is our answer. Now to get it now, you write this word from the button, okay, to the top. You write it for the button to the top, not for the top to the button. For the button here to the top. So the first number here, that is 1. The second one, that is 1. The third one, that is 1. And fourth one, that is 0. And the fifth one, that is 1. So they are what? In base 2. So it means that when converting 29 base 10 in base 2, we have it as 11101 in base 2. I get now. So if you look at the option here, now see the option is option E. So option E is the correct answer to this question. I get down. So that is the simplest way. That is the step by step and how to convert number from base 10 to other bases. You use the division method and follow the process I did earlier. So in the VRP class, we'll be discussing about the decimal part and the fractional part of this content. So join us there. If you like to join us, you can like to join us in the VRP class. If you like to join our VRP class, contact me or visit our website at marco.com.ng. I'll go to comment section and send a link directly to our WhatsApp channel. From there, you can contact me from that part or contact me on WhatsApp. This is message me on the please do not call. Okay, this is the number you can have message me. Immediately message, just type that this I want to join my online class. I will add you to our VIP class. So let's go and let's solve this the second question and the third question for our VIP member. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your friend. Thank you and God bless you. Follow us for more video like this. So let's go to our VIP class.